ordered a timing belt kit for 2005 Dodge Magnum from Amazon, and the part number is TCKWP295D. And I'm just going to show you what you can expect if you order the same kit. It does come with a water pump. I'll show you everything in it. One thing that I found interesting is there was no tape on this, and it was delivered like this from Amazon. Alright, so first thing we've got is the belt itself. Got a handy little tray here. It says alert, installation instruction sheet and gasket are under tray. Alright. So here's the water pump, the gasket for the water pump, this is the tensioner for the belt, and then this is the tension piston that actually puts the pressure on. It'll push, once this pin is pulled, it'll push this up, and that pushes against the surface here, and that's what puts the tension on the belt. So this is kind of nice. It tells when the timing belt has been changed and when you should change it again. Like I said, this car has 195,000 miles on it. I'm hoping this is the second belt, but I'll find out maybe when I get in there. But there's nothing indicating when it was changed last. So anyway, you have an instruction booklet, your tensioner, the tension piston, water pump, and the timing belt itself. And here's everything all laid out. So there are a couple other things that I got for this installation. One, some paint markers, just so that you can mark the timing marks on the cam and the crank. And then also a pulley puller for the hard-wiring balancer for Chrysler. You can see the part number here if you're interested in buying one. I rented this from the local auto parts store. Well, now it's time to get busy. We're going to jump in the car and get to work.